Does dropshipping still work in 2024? You're probably asking yourself this question right now. And in today's video, I'm going to explain not only how dropshipping can make you six figures, but also how you can create your own dropshipping store. This video covers everything, so make sure you keep watching till the very end. Now, dropshipping is an extremely profitable business. I myself have been dropshipping in the past year and have made some good money in doing so. Dropshipping is extremely easy once you know what you're doing. And in today's video, I'm going to go over 4 points that I learned throughout my dropshipping journey, which, if implemented correctly, can earn you some serious money. So let's start off with the first point, which is finding your winning product. Now, this is arguably one of the hardest things to do. Now, when I first started dropshipping, there was no way to find your winning product through any software, or finding out if other stores that were selling the same products that you want to sell are making sales. Well, that's where today's sponsor, ShopHunter, comes in. ShopHunter is a fantastic tool that I've been using lately, and it's been allowing me to find my winning products so much better. So what is ShopHunter? ShopHunter is an easy to use sales tracker that lets you track sales of any Shopify store. Trust me when I say I've used so many different sales trackers, but ShopHunter does it the best. For example, I was selling this product on one of my dropshipping stores and ended up making well over 5 figures. The reason I knew this did well was because before I deemed it a winning product, I used ShopHunter. So I found this competitor's website and all I had to do was copy the URL of the website. I then went on to ShopHunter and pasted that link. And straight away after doing so, I was able to track all their sales. Now, what's cool about this is that you can also track their Facebook ads. So if we click on ads here, you can see a chart of how many ads they were running. But that's not all. If we click here, this will then show us the individual ads they are running for this store. So you can see what's working and what's not. Genuinely a game changer, because you're getting all the secrets from all these top dropshipping stores. And all you have to do is replicate what's doing well. You can also go onto the Explore tab, and obviously we mentioned you can paste the shop's URL. But if we click here, you can also search products and you'll find dropshipping stores that are selling the same product. You can then track that store to see how well the products are doing, or see that product on their store or AliExpress. You can also click here and find the top advertised products. So essentially this tool just makes dropshipping so easy. And to be honest, if you are struggling with dropshipping or you just haven't started, this tool is honestly a game changer. And I would recommend to start implementing this tool on your dropshipping journey. Now, these are the prices for this tool if you take out a monthly plan. However, I would recommend taking out the annual plan, which is what I'm on, and you can also get 2 months free. And not only that, but because I've partnered with ShopHunter, as a special offer for my viewers, you can get 25% off if you use the code ALIM25. So make sure you click my link in the description, go onto your chosen plan and sign up to ShopHunter. Again, if you use this tool and implement it correctly, you can then easily scale up your dropshipping stores and make a ton of money. Right, so now let's say you've got your winning product. What do you do next? Well, you'll need to come up with a name for your product and store. Now, you can easily use tools like ChatGPT to come up with a brand name for your store. Now, once you do that, you'll then need to create a logo. Now, there are a ton of websites you can use. I tend to use Canva or Kittl, or you could use AI websites, which will create the whole logo for you. Also, guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now, once you've sorted all of that out, the next step is to design your store. Now, this is extremely important because this is the last hurdle before you take your customers' money, so this needs to be done correctly. Now, when you're creating a website, don't try to overcomplicate it. Trust me, if you make your design simple and modern, you'll be able to convert a lot more. Now, let me show you a good website. So this website is what I'd say is a good website. Information is not cluttered and everything is straight to the point. Also, you can find GIFs on the side, which is good. And it's literally very simple enough to make you want to buy the product. Now, albeit the step is crucial, you don't want to spend hours and hours into creating the perfect website. Again, just make it minimalistic and straight to the point. Okay, so now you've made your website, what's next? Now, the next thing you need to focus on is ads. Now, ads are very important if you want to make a ton of money on your dropshipping store, because if no one knows that your shop exists, there's nothing convincing them to buy it, and therefore you'll get no sales. Now, I know there are a lot of organic ways to get people onto your store, and although you can do that and be successful, I would suggest you invest some money into paid ads. Paid ads is where you can see massive growth in your sales. I've used organic methods in the past, and albeit I have got sales, nothing compares to how much money I've made using paid ads. So where do you advertise your product? You can either use Facebook or you can use TikTok. I personally prefer TikTok, but Facebook ads are also very good. Sometimes it does depend on the product in terms of where it's suited more, but usually I use TikTok. Now, you need to make ads around your products before you can advertise them. Now, there's 2 ways you can do this. You can either order the product yourself and make videos around it, or you can use a company like Ecom Adz who will create videos around your products for you. I've mentioned these guys countless times on previous videos, and I'll seriously recommend using them. Then once you have the video ads, you then need to create an ad set around them. Now, I have a video of a low budget TikTok ad strategy, which I have put in the description. So make sure to watch that after this video. Now, the final thing you need to do when dropshipping is practice. Now, this is very underrated, because a lot of people think that when they start dropshipping for the first time, that they can make 6 figures figures straight away. Albeit that can happen, it's very, very unlikely for you to do that on your first go. Look, you're going to struggle and you're going to fail, but dropshipping is about learning from the failures and then succeeding. It's easy to give up when your first store does bad, or let's say it does get sales, but not thousands and thousands of dollars. Remember, you need to keep practicing and improving. Only then can you succeed. You also need the right tools, and as I mentioned earlier, ShopHunter is definitely a great one to use. Now, I also have a Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle, and the Ultimate Wealth Circle is a group of like-minded individuals who all have the same mission, which is to be rich, successful, and make money online. Now, I've made some very good money on dropshipping, and I've documented some stores on YouTube, and I've got a very special offer for you guys. I'm going to work with 3 people individually who want to start dropshipping and scale their stores. Now, this is different compared to my one-to-one help, which I offer on some of my plans. This essentially means that I'll be individually able to help you and direct you on where you should go. I'll give you a winning product, I'll also help you create the store, and I'll give you my proven winning ad strategy too. So if you want all of this, make sure to join the Ultimate Wealth Circle on the lifetime membership. You can do this by clicking the link in the description and going on to the website. With the lifetime membership, you'll get access to the group for life. You'll also get access to my courses, which is something that's coming soon. Again, I'm only helping 3 people, so make sure to use the code dropshiphelp50 for $50 off. This code can only be used 3 times, so if it allows you to add the code, you have time. I hope to see you inside the Ultimate Wealth Circle.